I am Milay Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science. Dear students, in this video I am going to explain the basic concept of critical potentials, that is excitation potential and ionization potential. So what is meant by critical potential? It is a least energy expressed in electron volts required to excite a free neutral atom from its ground state to a higher state, which represents a critical potential of the atom. So critical potential is nothing but a minimum energy which may be expressed in electron volts, which is used to excite a free neutral atom from its ground state to a higher level, that is higher state, is called a critical potential of the atom. Then there are two kinds of critical potentials are there. The first one is excitation potential, or otherwise they are called as radiation potential or resonance potential. The second one is ionization potential. So there is a difference between this excitation potential and ionization potential. So what is meant by excitation potential? So this is the energy which is expressed in electron volts, which is used to raise an atom from its normal state into an excited state, is called the excitation potential of the state. Next, what is meant by ionization potential? It is defined as the energy required to remove an electron from a given orbit to an infinite distance from the nucleus. So this is the difference between this excitation potential and ionization potential. So for excitation potential, the energy required to raise an atom from its normal state into an excited state, but for here ionization potential required to remove an electron from a given orbit to an infinite distance from the center of the nucleus. Example, we have seen that the energy associated with an electron in the nth orbit of the hydrogen atom is given by En equal to minus 13.6 by n square unit volts. Thus the energies of the first, second, third goes on orbits are respectively given by minus 13.6, that is for n equal to 1, and minus 3.4 for n equal to second state, comma minus 1.5 for n equal to third state goes on in terms of electron volt. The energy required to raise the atom from the ground state n equal to 1 to the first excited state is given by, so to subtract the first one value 13.6 minus 3.4, we get 10.2 electron volt. The energy required to rise at the second excited state is 13.6 minus 1.51 gives 12.09 electron volt, and so on. The ionization potential, which is given by 13.6 electron volt. It is clear that 10.2, 12.09 electron volt are the excitation potential, while 13.6 volt is the ionization potential of the hydrogen atom. This is the conclusion for this critical potential. So there is a difference between critical and the excitation potential will be observed on comparing these energy levels of the first, second, third orbits like that. Likewise, Thank you.